Good morning, everyone. Our lesson today is the question 10 from Haikal, exam of trimester 3, Mr. Dahi. Be careful and pay attention to me here. Okay, focus on the question. Maybe the question comes in the final exam, take, maybe get it or obtain 0. Because why? Because you are busy. Don't focus on the question. Okay, I think I will select. Okay, question 6. Question 6, as you see here, this is integral ln of x over x dx. How to solve this question by using, also here, by using integration by part. Integration by part, do you know integration by part? Integral u dv equals u times v minus, okay, minus v integration v du. Everything is ready now here. Suppose here, as you see, this is u equals ln x, then du equals 1 over x dx. Okay, step 2 here, dv equals 1 over x. Okay, then v, this is equals ln x, right? Everything is ready. We can write this is in ubv minus integration v du. This is equals, I think, ln x times ln x. Ln x times ln x squared. Okay, minus, okay, sorry, minus integral ln x times 1 over x dx. Yes, this is, yes, the same. Maybe this is go there. Yeah, this is go there. We have here two, integration ln x over x dx plus integration also ln x over x dx equals ln x squared. This is equals the same, 2 integration ln x over x dx equals ln x squared. The final answer is just divided both sides by 2. Yes, by 2. This is the answer is negative half ln x squared plus c, don't forget it here, plus c. This is equals, yes, this is a plus c. Okay, that's it. Yes, lost together. The question maybe is come in the final exam like this. Multiple choice, A, B, C, D. Okay, maybe here half ln x, here half ln x square plus c, also here half ln x square plus c, maybe here 2 ln x square plus c. Which one is right? Yes, D is right. How to use calculator as a strategy? Maybe some student, they didn't understand how to integrate, how to find, how to do that, this integration by part. Maybe you can use calculator. This is the choices in the exam. Just derivative the choices. If derivative the choices, this is the first step. Then substitution in the original question by the same value that uses derivative the choices. Okay, let's start. This is the answer. Okay, shift derivative 0.5. Okay, open len x, this is len, okay, x squared, right? At maybe 1 0, the answer. Maybe you can 2, yes. But the answer 0.34. Okay, go there. Here, this is the question, the original question. Here, just substitution, not derivative. This is just fraction without integration. Be careful about this, yeah? This is len, okay, len x over x calc 2. The same answer. That's mean this equation, the correct answer is D. Okay? This technique may be benefit for you if you cannot understand how to do that. Okay. And maybe move to the next question. I will try to solve also by part question, I think 8. Question 8. Okay, let's move that question 8 in the same video. Question 8. I think maybe here you can use table. Yes. Question 8 I will solve here. This is a question 8. This is question 8 as you see. Maybe here I can use table. It's easy to find this. This is a strategy is fast and easy and simple if you understand this. This is here u. This is dv. Okay. Here I think derivative. Here derivative. But here integration. Okay, be careful about it. This is here x square. What the derivative x 2x? What the derivative 2x2? What the derivative 2 0? Yes, exactly. Sorry. Yes. Also here, as you see, what the integration here e to power x to power 3. This is equals. Yes, you should here I think e to power x to power 3, but you should divide it by the derivative of the power 3x squared. Also here I think we cannot use the table because it's difficult. That's yes. I be careful about this. This is not good. Yes, we cannot use this table for this equation. Yes, because it's difficult to do that because here that's not not the simple exponential function, but here I think you should use u equals e. Yes, I think maybe e to power x to power 3. Then du equals I think here e to power x to power 3 times 3x squared, the derivative of the power. But dv here, this is equals x squared. Then v integration, this is x to power 3 over 3. Then I think the integral x squared e to power x to power 3 dx equals ubv. This is x to power 3 over 3 e to power x to power 3, right, negative integration x to power 3 over 3 times 3x squared e to power x to power 3 dx. I think here this is difficult. We can cancellation 3 with a 3. This is equals x to power 5. This is x to power 3 over 3 e to power x to power 3 minus integration. Here cancellation 3 with a 3. This is equals I think here x to power 5 e to power x to power 3 dx. dx. Yes. But here is very difficult to continue to show you how use the table strategy isn't good for this equation. This also isn't good, but I will show you simplest or easiest. Yes, we cannot continue. We cannot continue in this way. Now I will teach you. This is be careful about this. How to think in the exam. So I think here two strategies isn't going on to solve this equation. Waste your time. Okay, but I think in the exam you should think what is the simplest method. Look here. This is the question. X squared times e to power x to power 3 dx. Do you remember what is the derivative of x to power 3? 3x. X to power 3. What the derivative of the power? X to power 3. What the derivative? 3x squared. Yes, we have here x squared, but we don't have 3. You should times 3, then divided by 3. Everything is ready. What the answer here? What the answer? The answer here is 1 over 3 e to power x to power 3 plus c. This is the solution. It's easy. This is the solution. I want here in this video to show the students how to think. Maybe the select method is very important to select method. Look here, the last method is very simple and very easy and solve the question in one step. But before I tried the table, I tried to use the general formula for the integration by part, but I cannot get it the final answer because it's complex. But here it's easy. But you should think why, how to solve this? How to know if we can here look this the expression x squared times e to power x to power 3. This is the general formula. If integral e to power of x, but here f prime of x dx, this is the answer is e to power of x plus c. This is the formula that used. Be careful. Here, what the derivative of the power? 3x squared, but we don't have 3. I can make it that. Times 3 and divided by 3. This is f prime of x times e to power of x. The answer is e to power of x plus c, but this is the constant 1 over 3, right? Okay, the question comes in the final exam, multiple choice. A, B, C, D. Be careful about this. Okay, don't waste your time to try many methods. You should be careful about how to select the first step to continue successfully to get the final answer for the question. Here, as you see, maybe the answer 1 over 2e to power x to power 3 plus c, 1 over 3e to power x squared plus c, e to power x to power 3 plus c. The last answer 1 over 3 e to power x to power 3 plus c. The answer, correct answer D. How to select? Maybe I can use calculator for this. Okay, just here derivative the choices. I will select the correct answer. This is the derivative of the choices as you see here. Okay, this is 1 over 3. Okay, times e to power x to power 3. Okay, at maybe select 0 or 1, no problem. If I select 1, what's the answer? 2.7, right? Okay, let's go. Let's go the original question. The original question here, as you see, this is the answer. Question 6, no, question 8, sorry. Where is the question 8? Yes, this one. Okay, question 8. This is just right without integration. X squared times e to power x to power 3. Calc 1, what the answer? The same answer, 2.7. That make to select the choice correctly and easily and simply. Okay, be careful about this. This is a question solved like this. Thank you for watching video. We'll see you inshallah the next video. Wait.